Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So guys, now we are going to learn about Laravel 7 where we are going to do CRUD application for Laravel 7 version. Okay, so right now we have installed the fresh package and artisan is served over here and the server is started, right? So guys, now what we are going to do is that making a CRUD application in Laravel 7 version. So let's get started. So first step, we will go to our resources, views. Inside that you can find only one welcome page. So inside that we are going to create a folder called CRUD CRUD, and inside that I'm going to create one new file called index or create.blade.php file. So this is my first file, create.blade.php file. Now over here this will be for adding it. Let's create one more page for index. So let's create a new file called index.blade.php. So this is the blade file for index, that will be the main page. Okay, so now guys, let's call the file. So for designing purpose we will use get bootstrap. So let's go to getbootstrap.com. Now let's click on documentation and you can find below the starter template. So let's copy this, Control C and paste over here. That's it. And we have to change one more thing, that is jQuery. This is slim.min.js. So instead of slim.min.js you have to make it to jQuery. Okay, so jQuery CDN link, hit that and copy the first, code.jQuery.com. Now just click on this minified or unmodified, where you will copy script, Control C and paste it over here and remove this, the slim.js file. Just remove that, and we don't need all this integrity things. Just arrange the file. Done. Okay, so now what we will do, let's execute this file and see. So first step, we will change this. We are using bootstrap over here, so we'll just design a simple template. So I'm just going to use container, row, column, md12, card, card header, Laravel 7 CRUD application. Save this, and now we will execute the file, card body by body. Okay, so now let's go to route and web.php. Inside that, this is the main URL which is right now shown over here. So for this, now we are going to create a route called route, route get, and let's call the page. So we will call this CRUD CRUD, or else view. We'll call this view, not view. We'll call, okay, fine, view itself. And let's create one controller to save it. So first step, we will mention that name as student record. So student controller at index. Okay, so let's create one controller first. So press Control tilde and type the command for creating the controller. Let's comment this first and then create the controller. So PHP artisan make colon controller, where you are going to create, make controller CONTRO controller, and the controller name called student controller. Hit enter. The student controller will be created. For example, you can go to, you have to search in this app HTTP controller, where student controller you can find it. So this is the controller now. Done. So now let's go back to our web route, where we have uncomment this and call this index function and create a function over here with the name. So public function index. Let's return view, where inside your views folder, whatever you are going to create inside this CRUD, so type CRUD dot index file name. That's it. Save it. Finish. Right. So guys, now whatever you call by this route, so that will be viewed. So let's copy this and let's go to our application / and view. Hit over there and you can see that the output, it's loading. CRUD, you can see over here CRUD 7, Laravel 7. So we need that into some file. So where is it? We have a wrong spelling, container, and then this one which we have to store it into a h4 tag. So that h4 tag should be, and let's view the output now. So now, yes guys, so credits coming. Card header you have to call. So one more thing was missing over there. Which is that, okay, let me just align this. It's reloading. So now it's loaded. So guys, now what we are going to do is that we will create a button to create, like, let's click a tag and pass the URL, where URL will tell us add student, add student, and we'll give a class btn button primary float rigst. Right, let's take this h4 inside it. Okay, so now let's reload the page and see the output. Okay, so cool, it's coming over here. So when you click on add, that time what happens, you can see the URL changes over here, add student. So let's copy this route and go back to our web.php, and then let's create one more route called get over there and paste your route and call the student controller. So let's paste that same controller and we will tell this as store, create. Let's copy this and go to our student controller where we are going to create a function called public function create. So return view, where you are going to return is that inside crud dot create file I am going to view that. Cool. So guys, now let's click on this create file. You can see nothing is there, so you can copy this same template and utilize over it. So let me close this file. So control Laravel crud. So let's copy the same thing and paste it over here and change the Laravel 7 insert student data in Laravel 7. Okay. However, so let's save that and view the output. So let's hit Ctrl R. The page opens over here. Nice. And instead of add, we will tell this as back. BACK back. And this button will be danger. And now view we will tell. So when view comes over there. So guys, now let us search the form. Over here you can search the form and copy paste it. This is the forms, guys. So guys, we are going to add only few things. That is like I'll just show you here itself. So first let's type form. So form will be, and then a simple, use that form group and input dot form control placeholder, enter student name, and label will be student name. Okay, the same thing, you have to copy this and start pasting for it. Name, class, contact. Enough, guys. So this will be much more details for this to do the CRUD application class. And one more thing we'll say, class section also will make it off. So let's type that student section and give the name attributes. So let's type name is equal to name is equal to student class. Let's give here also student name. Let's type name is equal to student section, and then name is equal to student contact. Save this, and finally one simple button, save. Type is equal to submit, where class button hyphen primary we will give. And let's take this method into post, thod method post, and URL will be action, where we will do that as store student. Copy this URL and send to web.php. Let's put route, where you are going to use post over here, and then send the CRUD. So that CRUD will be copy this URL, I mean controller, and make this function as store. So let's copy this and go to the controller over here, and then put public function in public function of store, where you will be storing all the data, right? So before that, I will just show you the output of this create blade file design. Let's go and reload the page. So guys, this is the design right now, right? So now what we are going to do, this form is too large. I'll just make it too small. Not too small, we'll just make it to 8 size. Okay. So guys, now we will save the records into a table. So I have already created one table, LEANWS. So I gave unwanted name for database working. So guys, now let us insert that. So first step, as we have configured this form URL store student and web dot route to the controller, over here controller we have gone to the store. So now you have to create a table for it. So first step, let's create a table called PHP artisan make colon migration create underscore your table name. So table name means like let's create a student table only, students. Always give plural, not singular, table name. Okay, so let's create a students table, hit enter, and a table will be created. So guys, table created migration. So let's search into our database. So let's go to database. Over here inside migrations you can find the final table over here as it is shown here, students. So guys, now let's insert the number of columns or fields which you want. Fields is like let's enter string and tell that first will be student underscore name, comma, and the value. So let's give 100. The same thing call for what is that, class, section, and contact. Class, section, so you can keep around 50 for this, and contact, this is contact number will be 10, but then too I just give 50. So let's save this, and timestamp will be as usual, that is updated and created, right? So guys, now let us migrate this table. So first, now type of command, like you can see, find over here lean wisdom, I mean lean WS. So let's copy this and set up the database first before migrating it. So guys, now first you have to go to your env file. So just click on it, and you can see that it's written Laravel, so it's not Laravel. My database name is read, and this is root, password I have none. So once you change the env file, make sure your